This is recording a Wastegedge iPhone app for bulk services. So when you log in, driver gets statistics on how many jobs are being downloaded. This is a fairly large test case here. We've got a range of jobs on the screen. You can look into any particular job, see the delivery details or the collection address details. You can add a tip record. You can nominate what materials are included in the collection. You can grab a signature, so capture the foreman's signature, nominate whether you've received payment or not. You can take a photo of the any bin that might be damaged. You can actually record messages. You can actually sort of extend a message that's been added. And save that as a note against the job. So, and then you can complete the job, or you can press the fail button. Fail brings up a list of customizable suggestions here for why the job failed, and gives the driver a chance to correct what he's done, or within 60 seconds it'll process that job back to the server and then flag it as a completed job. Then you go on to the next job and so on, if you want to go to that next job and complete that one. So as you go down in the job list here, you can select various jobs. If you want to reorder the jobs that are on the screen, simply grab the handle and drag the job down to wherever you think that job should be next. And then if you save those details, the jobs will be reordered on the map when they're displayed. For displaying jobs on the map, you can see where any particular job is. You can see details on that job. You can press the information button to go back to the job, go back to the map list. So you can also add tipping records to the whole run, or add fuel records to the whole run. So selecting the tip and what materials been put in on that record for the tip, and what the weight out was, and any particular docket number. It'll save one or more tip records. You can do similar for fuel records. So you can go through a process of putting the bin on, putting in a serial number on the bin, making sure you've selected the right bin type that's being put on board, and where did you pick it up, at a tip site or a customer site. When you save those details, that'll accrue various bins on board, and then you can later put those bins off by clicking on that particular bin and then nominating where you want to put that bin off, at a customer site for instance, so, or at a depot if you're relocating it, in which case which depot did you put it off at. So we'll save that info, and that bin's been flagged as offloaded. You go back to your job list, go on to the next job, and so on. So there's various summary details you can see on your confirmation page of how many have been completed, confirmed, and then when you log off, it asks you to put the odometer in for, validating how far you've travelled against the GPS trail. You can change the settings to show satellite or hybrid settings, and you can actually see previous trails that you've been travelling.